Hey there, welcome to Bull Brakes. Today, let's talk about a crucial element in the braking world, brake pads molds. These molds are the heart of the pressing system. They're not just any components. They're what make high-quality brake pads possible. At Bull Brakes, we take pride in offering comprehensive brake pads molds development services. It all starts with precise drawing design. Our expert team crafts detailed blueprints, envisioning every curve and contour to meet the highest standards. We understand that the right material is essential. That's why we meticulously choose materials, ensuring durability, heat resistance, and optimal performance. But we don't stop there. We go the extra mile to match your specific press machine structure. Every press is unique, and our molds are custom tailored to fit like a glove, maximizing efficiency and productivity. And of course, the final step, manufacturing. With state-of-the-art facilities and skilled craftsmen, we bring those designs to life. The result? Exceptional brake pads molds that our clients can rely on. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current molds or starting a new project from scratch, Bull Brakes has got you covered. Trust us to deliver innovation, quality, and reliability in every mold we create. Join hands with Bull Brakes, and let's break new ground together.